Welcome to dotConnect for Dynamics 365. Empower your .NET applications with an industry-trusted, high-speed data provider that delivers Microsoft Dynamics 365 online connectivity. Get started in two simple ways. Use the Windows installer for a complete setup that integrates with Visual Studio. Alternatively, choose the NuGet package to install the provider directly into your project. After installation, activate the product with a 30-day free trial key, or purchase a license through the DVART customer portal. Effortlessly connect using Server Explorer in Microsoft Visual Studio. Add a connection, select the data provider, enter your credentials, and connect. Browse tables, columns, and data, all within Visual Studio. Use the interactive OAuth method for the fastest way to authenticate with your CRM. It automatically retrieves all necessary tokens. Just craft your connection server and initialize the connection. Our data provider powers your ORM workflows. Seamlessly integrate with Entity Framework Core, Dapper, and more across all versions. Pair it with Entity Developer for effortless model creation in any .NET application. Powered by a native ADO.NET architecture, the provider offers seamless access to your CRM data, optimized for performance, with built-in support for metadata, bulk operations, and compliance with API and security standards. Elevate your .NET applications with our industry-proven, reliable connector. Download it for a free trial today, give it a go, and make the most out of its capabilities and performance in your project.